Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware compatibility and power, Dozer, GNSS antenna, and display. Attach the antenna, tighten mounts, and power the machine. Once powered, open the guidance software and load the job file or design surface. Make sure base coordinates match the site datum. You then check satellite fix and RTK correction status. Wait for a fixed solution or reliable SBAS if RTK is unavailable. Finally, verify working units and blade offset settings so the system reports correct elevations and positions. Now you calibrate the blade so the system understands real-world geometry. Enter offset values for blade pitch, roll, yaw, and height. Use manufacturer tables, then perform short calibration passes while watching measured versus expected positions. Once done, refine offsets until errors are within tolerance. Next, align the machine to the design cut line and enable tolerance bands and steering assist if needed. Make sure correction source remains stable during calibration. If corrections drop, pause, and require a fixed solution before continuing, execute the planned passes by following the display prompts and targeting the indicated elevation and slope. Use short, controlled passes to avoid overcutting. You should monitor machine position, blade feedback, and correction quality. Make spot checks with a level or total station to verify as-built elevations. Once the area meets design tolerances, save the as-built file and export logs. If GNSS signal degrades or RTK is lost, stop and switch to backup guidance or manual control. Then require corrections before resuming work to prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.